Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create an attractive and professional title slide design for your PowerPoint presentation in 2025. Whether you are designing for a corporate project, an educational presentation, or a creative showcase, a great title slide set the tone. So, let's start the video. First, to set the background, right click on the slide, choose Format Background and select a picture or texture fill. Go to File, select Image and insert it. Next, click on Shape, select Rectangle shape and draw it like this. Set the size of the shape. Now, duplicate the rectangle 5 times by pressing Ctrl Shift and reduce the size from the right side. Click on Align, select Flip vertically. Add a text box at the bottom of the slide. Type N here. Select and center your content. Change the font color. Use a bold font like Arial Black and adjust the font size. Now duplicate the text box and type each letter in nature. Select all text box. Click on Align. Select Flip vertically. Select both the shape and text box. Click on Merge Shape and use the Subtract option. This creates a unique cutout effects. Do the same process with the rest. Select all and increase transparency. I have downloaded 6 different nature theme image from Google here. Then send to back. Select image and shape. Go to Format. Click on Merge Shape and select Intersect. Now do the same process with the rest. To enhance the design, apply a shadow effect to the picture. Select all, click on shadow and choose a soft shadow and reduce transparency. Finally, add a brief description of nature or the theme of your presentation to the side of the slide. This makes the design more meaningful and professional. Align everything properly and preview your slide. And there you have it, a creative professional title slide for 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more PowerPoint design tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.